Welcome to WordPress Ultimate Security channel. Today, we will show how Ultimate Security stops bots from registering your WooCommerce store on WordPress site. To get started, make sure you have installed Ultimate Security. First, let's head over to the settings menu and select Threat Protection, then click on Bot Protection. This opens the Google reCAPTCHA settings. Using reCAPTCHA adds an essential layer of security, ensuring that only real humans can interact with your registration forms. Start by toggling the Enable reCAPTCHA switch. Next, select your preferred version. You can choose between reCAPTCHA v2 for the classic I'm not a robot checkbox or v3 for a seamless, invisible user experience. Now, enter your site key and secret key provided by Google. These keys securely connect your website to the reCAPTCHA service. You can get these keys from the Google Admin Console. You will find the link in the description box. At the bottom, make sure to enable the Enable reCAPTCHA on WooCommerce signup option. Once you've configured your settings, click Save Changes. Let's see it in action. When we visit the My Account page, you'll notice the reCAPTCHA widget is now present on both the login and register forms. We are entering an email address, and we must click on the verification box to be registered on the site. Even if a bot tries to enter an email address, they cannot proceed without passing the human verification test. This simple step keeps your database clean and your site secure. And that's it, you've successfully shielded your WordPress site from bots. Thanks for watching, and stay secure with WordPress Ultimate Security. Download Ultimate Security plugin, link in the description box. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more security videos.